entry number 2. And Duroff. Her lead is taken by Queen's Prayer. Sealed My Lips on the outside. And Field Runner moving up on the inside. Toy Warrior. And nearing the far turn, it's Queen's Prayer in the lead by 2.5 lengths, followed by Field Runner, Toy Warrior, and Sealed My Lips on the outside, Dugu Sprite, and Natu Princess. But it's still Queen's Prayer leading the field by 3.5 lengths, followed by Field Runner, and Toy Warrior on the outside, Sealed My Lips, Natu Princess, and Dugu Sprite. Rounding the far turn, it is still the outstanding favorite, Queen's Prayer leading the field by 3.5 lengths, followed by Field Runner, and Toy Warrior now moving up on the farther outside to take second. The last bend for whom it is still Queen's Prayer in the lead, followed by Toy Warrior on the outside, and Field Runner by the rail. Dugu Sprite on the farther outside, and Sealed My Lips. And into the home stretch and nearing the payoff line, it is still Queen's Prayer, the outstanding favorite. And finally, at the payoff line, the horse of Sir Puts Puyat, number 2, and that is Queen's Prayer. Entry number 5, Dugu Sprite. That is second place.